Hi, I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. Let's get started with today's Minden. Today we're making turkey tetrazzini, and all through November I'm going to show you different things that you can do with your Thanksgiving leftovers, and here's idea number 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with some butternut squash spirals. I already sprayed the pan with a little bit of olive oil spray. And this will take 3 to 4 minutes to cook, no carbs. And then what I did was I got some oven roasted turkey because it's not Thanksgiving yet and I don't have a turkey laying around. But when you take your turkey leftovers, just slice the breast down thin and you will have the turkey for your turkey tetrazzini. Add it right into the butternut squash spirals, some steak-sized mushrooms that I already rinsed. And then we're just going to take 2 cans of cream of celery soup and we're going to let it simmer. And that's it. So easy, so fast. It'll serve 4 people. Just an idea of what you can do that's quick and easy with your leftovers. And stay tuned each week for a new recipe. Please subscribe to my YouTube. It's free. And all you have to do is hit the button down here and you'll get a notification when I post a new recipe, which is every Monday. If you want to see a finished picture of this product, you're going to have to subscribe to my Instagram, which is also Minden's. And what we're going to do is when it's all done, we're going to top it with some of these fried onions. And I know you're going to have this in your house because you're going to use this for your green bean casserole that everyone makes for Thanksgiving. So stay tuned. If you want to see a finished picture, go to my Instagram, follow us, and stay tuned next week where we'll bring you another recipe using your Thanksgiving leftovers.